Hey, it's Nick here from Greyscalegorilla, here to tell you what's new in today's Greyscalegorilla Plus release. Last year we released Tactile, our growing library of the most realistic 3D beautiful materials available anywhere, and we're not slowing down. This is our biggest release of 3D materials and some of the most beautiful that you've ever seen. First, we have Tactile Polystyrene, a set of 15 absolutely realistic styrofoam-like materials ideal for abstract motion design or packaging renders. With painstakingly captured detail and full compatibility with subsurface scattering, you've never seen 3D styrofoam that looks as real as this. Next, we have Tactile Fabric, a set of 50 beautiful and bold fabric materials that many of you have been asking for. Meticulously curated by our design team and featuring an incredibly realistic translucency, these materials are perfect for abstract designs, fabric simulations, furniture, fashion, and much more. And if you like those fabrics, you're absolutely gonna love Tactile Felt, a set of 40 felt materials that pair nicely with our brand new fabrics. With colors handpicked by our design team, you'll see every fiber in these crafty, ultra-realistic materials, even when backlit. These materials are great for felt characters, fabric simulations, and abstract animation. Next, we have Architectural Carpets, a set of 25 curated upscale carpet materials carefully chosen by our in-house design team. Whether you're working on architectural visualization, motion design, or even creating abstract art, these high-quality carpet materials will help you deliver a new level of realism to your work. And finally, for tactile materials, we have Colored Fiberglass, a set of 10 fiberglass materials with colors that all work perfectly together. Apply these materials to your 3D chairs and tables, or use them to punch up your abstract motion designs and give them just a hint of fun and colorful nostalgia. We also have 3 more material and texture collections to share with you in this release. I told you there's a lot in this one. Let's start with plastic materials, a set of 50 colorful plastics that are organized by color palettes, so it all works nicely together in your scene. Perfect for lighter, more playful design, these materials are set up perfectly with subsurface scattering in colors that are fully customizable. These materials go great with our doodads, a set of 3D models that we released at the end of last year. Next is Paracord Materials. This is a set of 50 materials ready for your next rope simulation. These colorful and contemporary paracord materials deliver beautiful detail and realistic specular highlights that you could add to your 3D shoelaces, ropes, and modern abstract motion design. And finally, Surface Imperfections Frost, a set of 10 tileable frost texture maps to add a little cool to your vibe and some icy cold goodness to your 3D renders. Perfect for that next beer commercial, drink ad, or anything else that needs to look cold. After all those materials, there's still one more release I'm really excited to share with you today, and it's been a long time in the making. Now, we offer a ton of HDRIs, over 500 of them, but our most popular HDRI by far is one called Creative Office. With a perfect balance of light and shadow, it just makes everything look great. We love it, you love it, it's in everyone's scene files, but we wanted to give you more environmental variety while still giving you an awesome Creative Office level result. Introducing HDRI Indoor Creative Spaces, a set of 25 high-res HDRIs shot in beautiful creative studios, including our own Greyscalegorilla Annex. With large, soft light sources, these HDRIs are perfect for tasteful motion design and product visualization. We know as soon as you get your hands on them, you'll be using these HDRIs every day. And that's what's new in the latest release of Greyscalegorilla Plus. We're all so excited to see what you create with all of these new materials and assets. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in another video really soon. Bye, everyone.